Alright, so I got the mantel outside again, took it off of the fireplace. That's the top of it, right, with the light. Two outlets, light on the other side. And the front piece, right, there's the front piece, so it's going to look like one solid piece of wood. I got the seam up here. I'll probably have to put filler in that. I already put painter's putty, right, just to fill the holes in the woodwork. And now I'm going to sand it down to make sure I got all the glue off of it, right, so that it doesn't interfere with the stain, and to just make sure I have a good surface to work with. Even though I'm going to de-stress this, these are the tools I'm going to use distressing it. So a couple rasps, a compass here, a divider. My wife liked the design the grinder put in it. Little cutting tool. My hammer with a chisel and a punch and awl. My machete. I'm going to use my machete right on the corner here. Right? Like that. And I might find something. This is a Wonder Bar. This is one of my favorite tools ever. I've had it for a long time. When I bought it, it was called a Wonder Bar. They call them something else now, I think. But I think I'm going to find something to do with that. Maybe just, you know, that's a good looking mark. We'll see. I got lots to do. So first thing I'm going to do right now, though, is sand with my little vibrating sander. I'm going to start out with 40 grit paper. Right here's that plastic plate that's on the bottom of it. What that does is pokes holes in the sandpaper, so the dust can go up into the machine, into this collector, and it doesn't just go all over the place. So if you saw this in your kit when you bought your sander and didn't know what it was for, that's what it's for. Poke the holes in there. Okay, so I'm gonna get to it. I'm gonna start sanding and get back to you when I'm done.